Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw square from Save the Shapes, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with drawing in the square. So we're going to start on the top, drawing in a straight line directly across. And if you'd like to use a ruler to do this, of course, go ahead. Let's come down on the left. We're going to draw in another straight line, pulling this through to the bottom. And then we're going to replicate that on the right. We're just going to make sure we end this at the exact same height. And then now let's finish this off underneath with another straight line, finishing off the square. Let's split this in half. Let's come over. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for that left eye. And then we're going to come across on the right, replicating that. Let's move over towards the inside corner. We're going to draw in another circle for that pupil. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Again, coming over towards the inside, for the highlight, we're going to draw in another circle, making this one smaller. And now let's just color in the pupil black. Now for the eyelashes, we're just going to curve two lines that come up to the top. Let's step up for the eyebrows. We're just going to curve this line over on each side above the eye. From that point, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back in on the inside. Now let's come down underneath the eye. We're going to draw in a small sideways oval for the cheek. And now in the center for the mouth, we're just going to draw in another arch line. Let's draw in a corner bracket on each side. And now let's draw in the arms. So we'll step up and we're going to curve this line out. Now from here, we're going to arch this back around and in towards the side of the body. Now for the wrist, moving in behind, curving this over, pulling that back through. Let's draw in the hand now. So coming down for the thumb, we're just going to arch this around and up. Now for the first finger, we're just going to curve this around, tucking that back in. In the center, let's step over, curving that back through to the top. And then now on the side again, just arching that around and back in. Now let's draw on the legs, so leaving a gap coming over on both sides. We're going to draw in a straight line coming down, ending that at the same height. We'll step out again, replicating that, pulling that down. Now let's close this off underneath with a curved line. Let's move in behind. We're going to round this out. So we're going to curve this over, tucking that through, pulling that back in. And then we'll replicate that on the right. Let's come down on the back. We're going to arch this down. And we'll just end that at the same height. And now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve that line across. Now from here, we're going to arch this around, tucking that back in. And then we're going to curve this line over again. And that is it. That's how you draw square from Save the Shapes. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.